Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I think this is going to be in part 2 of my moving vlog. If you haven't watched part 1, go ahead and do so. Please don't mind my hair. I need to take it out, but we're cleaning. That's what we're doing. We're cleaning. I'm in the kitchen now. I did the stove top somewhat. Now I'm gonna work on the burners. What do you call the burners? The disc and the oven. And then I might get to the kitchen, get to the fridge, because it's pretty late, but we have to get this done. The moving date is next week, like 6 days from now. So this has been my lifesaver. Okay, just spray it on your grease and stuff that you're trying to get out, stains. Leave it for a few minutes and then go ahead. Let me show you how it's working so far. It's going good. This was horrible, so I did the first coat. I'm gonna do it again, and this is what I said I'm gonna clean. This is foil that I put on, and then yeah, this is foil paper that I wrap the disc in, so hopefully it's not horrible underneath. But yeah, horrible. Latte waiting for food. Eat your food. She have this habit that she just wants fresh food every 5 minutes. Food is in a bowl, so when she get hungry enough, she's gonna eat it. Right, Latte? Okay.
Made to come in twice a month. They pay $40, I pay $40. And she would come in twice a month and clean the house. I got my goddaughter who owns a company, and she comes in.
Just a second. Let's understand this, because you sort of glossed over that. Somebody that you know did the cleaning.
Yeah, but we had a different maid before that.
And when did that maid leave?
July.
So in July, this person was no longer there, and you fired a relative of yours or your goddaughter.
Correct.
And
we continued. $40 on their half, $40 on my half. No issues. She had told me.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist.
She looking good. She looking really clean. I just spray some more on these spots, but I haven't seen her this clean in a while. They gonna have to replace this anyways, but I still gonna soak them and then wrap them in foil paper. I would have to buy foil paper, and I'm gonna clean inside. But I clean these as much as they can get clean. Guys, I finally got this braid out my hair. Finally. I'm going to the hair store now. Actually, I reach. Hopefully they're open. I'm trying to buy some texturizer so I can texturize my hair. If I do, I'm gonna show you guys when I do it. Let me carry my hip home because apparently nothing is open. I was trying to find the product that I need to texturize my hair, but everywhere closed on Sunday. The hair stores are open on Sunday, but they close early. They close like 1 o'clock, and it's about 3 o'clock now, so I missed everything. just go home and enjoy the rest of my Sunday. I need to be relaxing and chilling. Tomorrow I have a lot of errands to run. Monday is gonna be crazy. Not going to work, but I have a lot of errands to run. So much to do. That's why these crazy people in the road like eating the road. Oh my god. Anyways, so I'll take you guys with me when I'm doing those errands. Guys, if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Join the family. We're trying to grow and we need your help. We need your support. Join the family. It's free. Click the button, subscribe if you see what you like, and just keep coming back. Come back tomorrow. It's a Vlogmas, so we're here every day. We're here every day. Come back and watch. Tell your friends, tell your parents, tell your Grammy, tell your kids. Yeah. Talk to you guys later. Oh, I hate seatbelt. Is it just me? Oh, I'll put it on and it'll be right here. Like most time you guys don't even see it on, but it's on. But it's not on correctly, but it's on. See, police just passed. But if they're doing like stops, I'll just do this. But I hate having it across my body like this. Okay guys, so it's a few days later. The last time you saw me, I was in the kitchen. I was doing the stove. Now I'm moving on to the fridge. We need to get that spick and span. So that's what I'm about to do. I have my water, I have my products. She's nice and clean. Nice and clean. And down the bottom. Nice and clean.